Hey everyone! Today, we're going to whip up a delicious dish featuring one of my favorite ingredients, salmon. Specifically, we'll be making a scrumptious skillet salmon with lemon-dill sauce. Trust me, this recipe is so easy and quick to make that even beginner cooks will be able to whip it up in no time. First things first, let's grab our salmon fillet. We're going to season it with some lemon juice, fresh garlic cloves, and a generous sprinkle of Himalayan sea salt. Don't forget to add a dash of black pepper for that extra kick. Next up, let's prepare our zesty lemon-dill sauce. Grab a small bowl and mix together the remaining Himalayan sea salt, fresh garlic cloves or garlic powder, whichever you prefer, lemon juice, olive oil or butter your choice, and fresh dill. Once you've got your sauce ready, it's time to get cooking. In a medium-sized pan or skillet, heat some oil or butter, again, your choice, over medium-high heat. Place the seasoned salmon fillet into the hot pan and let it sizzle away for about 4 minutes on each side. While the salmon is cooking, let's take care of the veggies. We'll be adding asparagus spears and cherry tomatoes straight into the pan alongside the salmon fillet. Let them cook for about 2 minutes until they soften up nicely. But wait, there's more. We can also add some baby spinach or kale to the mix if you want more greens in your meal. Feel free to customize this recipe to your taste buds. Hey there, fellow movie buffs! Today, we have an exciting piece of trivia for you all about The Greatest Showman starring Hugh Jackman as P.T. Barnum. Did you know that when Barnum exclaims, "This is my dream," it actually marks a real life event that took place just one day after his wife gave birth? That's right. As Barnum dances through his home in jubilation, he utters those famous words, "This is my dream." This moment is directly followed by his first appearance on stage in New York City wearing his signature bright orange wig. This pivotal moment takes place just one day after his wife has given birth to their second child. It was at this very moment that Barnum realized his dream of becoming an actor had come true. So there you have it, an interesting piece of trivia about The Greatest Showman. We hope you enjoyed learning something new about this fantastic film starring Hugh Jackman as P.T. Barnum. If you like this video and want to see more content like this, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting movie trivia in the future. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.